In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can see messages on Messenger without being seen. There are other videos online which claim that if you turn off your Wi-Fi and view those messages, Messenger does not send a notification that you viewed the message. But that is not true at all. Whenever you turn off on your Wi-Fi again, that message is immediately sent and Messenger gives a notification to the other person that you viewed their messages. But in this video, I'm going to show you the exact way on doing this so that the other person won't know that you viewed their message. So what you need to do is open up your Messenger app, tap on the three lines on the top left, tap on the settings on the top right, and if you scroll down from here under preferences, you can tap on privacy and safety. Inside of this, under who can reach you, you can see restricted accounts. You can tap on it, and if you tap on learn how restrict works, you can see this is a feature of the restricted option on Messenger, and there is an option which says hide your activity. The person won't see when you read their messages or your active status. So this is a great feature of Messenger which lets you ignore some people. So whenever you turn this on for any person on Messenger, when you view their messages, they won't be able to know that you've seen their messages. So what you need to do here is just tap on the human icon on the top right. And so for example, if someone has sent you a message and you want to view their messages, you can just select the person, and once the person now has been added to the restricted list, you can just tap on the person again, and from here you can view all of the messages they have sent. Even though you have opened their chats, they won't get a notification that you've seen their message. The other person also won't know that you've restricted them. So you can easily view these messages, and you can also later on unrestrict them by tapping on the unrestrict button on the bottom. So that's how easily you can see messages on Messenger without being seen. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching.